Hello everyone. As the sun comes up in my little Minecraft world, I want to demonstrate a successful, or at least semi-successful, elevator. For the past few months, I've been trying to up my Minecraft game, specifically trying to build working elevators. I saw a design earlier this week that was beautiful, but was limited to only 4 blocks. And I have built a home up in the clouds. So I've been trying to build an elevator that goes that far. And this one is called a zipper elevator because of its design. Now let's cross our fingers because it's not 100% reliable and see if it works. My little tester is going to turn around and try to walk into the elevator, and we will see if my tester makes it all the way to the top. Hooray!